Hi everyone, it's James here from Travel-Lingual.com, the site that facilitates travel and language learning. Now if you watched the last episode, you will have seen that we covered AR, ER and IR verbs in the present tense. The verbs that we covered and the examples I gave were in fact regular. We called them regular verbs. This means that they adhere to normal verb patterns. For example, we know now that hablar in the I form must be hablo because it's regular. Not all verbs are regular, and unsurprisingly, we call these verbs irregular verbs. This means that they don't adhere to normal or regular verb patterns, so we need to learn each one off by heart. One of these verbs is tener, to have, and this is what we're going to focus on today. So, what's the present tense conjugation of the verb tener? Let's have a look. Tengo, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tenéis, tienen. Let's go through once more. Tengo, I have. Tienes, you have. Tiene, he, she, or it has. Tenemos, we have. Tenéis, you, plural, have. And tienen, they have. So now that we've learned how to say it in the present tense, we can learn how to say that we do or don't have to do something. So let's look at this. Tener que. So before we use it in a sentence, we need to ask ourselves, who has to do something? Do I have to do something? Do you? Do we? I want us to take 3 verbs and 3 nouns, and we're going to use these in a sentence with different forms of tener que. Tengo que lavar el coche. Tengo que lavar el coche. I have to wash the car. Tenemos que limpiar la casa. You've probably heard this word before, casa. We have to clean the house, limpiar, the verb to clean. This is a regular verb, so we know that it must be limpio, limpias, limpia, limpiamos, limpiáis, limpian. Tengo que escribir la carta. I have to write the letter, la carta, letter. Tengo que escribir, to write, la carta. So let's just go back to our list of conjugations in the present tense with tener. If we know that tenemos que limpiar la casa is we have to clean the house, how would we say they have to clean the house? Let's think about it. Tienen, they have. They have to clean the house. Tienen que limpiar la casa. Alright guys, so now you're set. You know how to use tener que, and you know how to conjugate the verb tener in the present tense. I'm sorry guys, but you're going to have to get used to this final part. With Travel-Lingual.com you can learn any language at any level whenever it suits you. Just click on the link below to go through to the website, to choose a language, and start learning. Please thumbs up if you found this video useful. Please also subscribe to the Travel-Lingual YouTube channel. We're going to keep more informative content coming. Hasta luego!